Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is an unboxing video. I'm unboxing of raw materials for formulation. Like, I just ordered this from Lagos. I'm based in Port Harcourt actually, and it was delivered to me via GIG. They just brought it in. It's not even up to 10 minutes ago. I just collected it from them, so I've not even opened it, you understand. So I decided to do it in front of the camera. Let's unbox it together. My fellow skincare enthusiasts, let's do this together. So I don't know why I'm usually excited about package. I don't know, is it only me or all of us? Please, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video. Please help me grow, please. You know, the engagement in the comment section / it helps with my algorithm, so I've opened the carton, well packaged. Now this is how it came in. Yeah, so this is it. I ordered from the formulator shop. So basically my information is on it, so I'm going to tear it open. Yes, and let's see what. I think I ordered for, I don't know how many items, can't even remember. You understand? Both for the formulation of skin and hair. Wow, this thing, see the way they really wrap it so that it doesn't pour. And honestly speaking, like, this is the second time I'm ordering from these people, and to be honest with you, I have not had any issue of spillage or anything. All right, here the orders are of 2 sets. These are liquid, these ones are surfactants. Do you understand? That I use for my face wash, while these ones are powders actually. Let's just open it. Let's just open them, then we can continue the introduction from there. All right, the first powder here is the Azelic acid. This Azelic acid is an awesome ingredient for the formulation of skin and even hair care products. Yes. The next one is the Ferulic acid. Yes, this is Ferulic acid. I love to formulate this alongside with my vitamin C. If I'm using sodium ascorbate phosphate, if I'm using magnesium ascorbate phosphate, I love to add ferulic acid. Even though another awesome benefit of ferulic acid when you're formulating with L-ascorbic acid or ascorbic acid, ferulic acid in combination with tocopherol helps to stabilize ascorbic or L-ascorbic acid, basically giving it a longer time, like antioxidants. Like, it does not oxide, because L-ascorbic acid and ascorbic acid is very, very, very unstable, so it can easily go haywire, lose its potency without you even realizing it. So ferulic acid combination with tocopherol and L-ascorbic or ascorbic acid formulation helps give your vitamin C serum a longer shelf life. I use it in the formulation of my vitamin C serum, even though I don't use ascorbic or L-ascorbic acid, just because at the end of the day, whatever I'm using are still derivatives of vitamin C. You understand? They're still derivatives of ascorbic category. So, and the ferulic acid on its own too is awesome. Yeah, it's very, very awesome. It's an anti-wrinkle treatment. It's also brightens the skin, is an acid obviously, so it helps with exfoliation. So the next one is the zinc oxide. Now, of course, I use the zinc oxide for the formulation of my sunscreen lotion. Is the right size, of course, of zinc oxide. Maybe I'll do a video talking about it more. And then the last but not the least powder is my Kojic Dipalmitate. I don't know why here in Port Harcourt, I've been finding it difficult to get Kojic Dipalmitate. Okay, no, I won't say difficult per se. Like the Kojic Dipalmitate that I've been buying here, usually Kojic Dipalmitate is not water soluble. Please help me in the comment section in case there's something like that. You know, every day a lot of new ingredients, and me, I'm open to learn. You know, a lot of new ingredients are always coming on the block, and probably there's something I don't know. Like this other Kojic Dipalmitate that I've bought twice here from a certain vendor here, like I noticed it's water soluble, and that's kind of strange. Even though you look at it, it's not as white as the normal Kojic Dipalmitate, but it has a similar texture and physical appearance. But now the part that baffles me the most is that Kojic Dipalmitate that me I know that I've used is not water soluble, but this other one, it has a pH of about 7. You understand? So I don't know, you know, these raw materials. And that's why you see when in my class I like to show my students, especially beginners, new people, how this ingredient looks like. I don't just like to talk about it. I like to make you see it physically, so that in case you go to purchase, I don't know if you can see from here, you see this one is white. It had, can you see it? Very white and has kind of a crystal-like feel. Even the zinc oxide is also looking alike like this. If you don't look at the zinc oxide very well, you can even confuse it for Kojic Dipalmitate. Yeah, sometimes, because it also has this kind of consistency. So me, I don't know. That's why you see me, I have no choice, because for me it's better to be safe than sorry, because there's something about ingredients. If your ingredient for your formulation is bad, trust me, the end product of your formulation is also going to be bad. So you see, that's how you see I'm very skeptical. I'm very cautious of the raw materials I buy, because those raw materials can make your formulation or break your formulation. That's the truth of the matter. So this is my AOS, like it's a surfactant, is an ionic surfactant, you understand, used for it has a smell, used for the formulation of face wash. Now this is the Coco glucoside. This is a non-ionic surfactant, because when you're formulating with surfactant, you have to put the right surfactant in your formulation for you to get good results. Yeah. Now this one is the Coco Betaine. Yes, I bought it in a bigger bottle. I bought this one for in 500 ml container. These ones are 250. Do you understand? So now when I'm formulating my face wash, I combine these three together. This is an amphoteric surfactant. This is, I have a live stream where I spoke about surfactants, so if you want to know more, go and watch that video. Then this is Coco glucoside. This is a non-ionic surfactant. This does not have any polar head. Yes, this does not have any charge, and it's a very friendly one. Then this is an ionic surfactant, so it has a negative charge. So formulating with these three we give an awesome result. Maybe just maybe I might come up with a video formulating 1 or 2 face washes. Okay, now this is a hydrolyzed with protein. I use this one for my hair product. I use this one for my deep hair conditioner, and I also use this one for my hair gel, my hair styling gel. So basically those are all of the things I ordered for, and if I tell you how much is in all of these things, you'll be very shocked. I'm telling you, like, that is why you see I'm this firm believer of start small. Your formulation, do them in small samples, because these things are expensive. You go and put in all these plenty things and then you waste money. These things I bought now that I just showed you is over 20,000 naira. I don't want to talk too much, please. So this is the end of my unboxing video. Please don't forget to like this video, share if you can, and if you're not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Please. What are you waiting for? Thank you so much, and see you in another video.